Hello everyone and welcome to my benchtop review, workbench review. Here I have the standard manufacturing S333 Thunderstruck volleyfire revolver. That is a mouthful. But anyway, here's the gun. A little bit of a different design. It's kind of innovative. I'm a sucker for guns like that. Something different. I really do like I like the different guns, the odd, the unique, and all. So I've had my eye on this for a while and finally picked one up. Shoots 22 Magnum, 8-round capacity. It fires 2 rounds per trigger pull. Has 2 barrels on it, a little volley fire. So you get a total of four shots before you're empty. The weight on the gun, the entire weight is 18 ounces. The barrel and cylinder, both of course made of steel. The barrel is 1.25 inches long. The frame is aircraft aluminum, rubberized polymer grips. Has about I'd say 15 to 20 pound trigger pull. Little trigger safety here. 2-finger trigger pull, 2-finger trigger. They claim it to be a good self-defense gun. I think there's really better options for self-defense out there. That's just my opinion, of course. What I've found with this gun so far, I've shot it probably 3, maybe 4 cylinders of ammo through it so far. And I like the sights on this gun. I find them easy to pick up. The 2-finger trigger, of course. Heavy trigger pull, and this gun is unloaded, so I'm safe dry firing it. But this gun, the way you're supposed to hold it is something like this. That trigger pull, it's almost impossible to be accurate with that. Now what I've found, I've modified the trigger, the grip a little bit on it. I put my finger up here behind the trigger, so then when I pull back, I hit my finger. At this point, it's ready to break. So I just pull a little bit further and I get a good break from it. I'm able to steady it. It's actually a decently accurate little gun for what it is. About 5 to 7 yards. I can hit a Coke can all day with this thing, with both rounds. After that, it starts getting increasingly harder, which I consider this more of like a belly gun. Self-defense situation, you pull it out, you shove it in their belly, and you pull the trigger. Kind of like an old Derringer. You for close distance only, I would believe. Problems I did run into with this gun, I don't know if you guys can see this little hole right here. That, and then in the front, there are 2 pins. There's a pin in each of these holes, and they somehow loosened up, and in the process of carrying the gun around, I lost both pins. So I mean, I can give standard manufacturing a pass on that. I mean, it's a new design and everything, but it doesn't bother me so much. As long as they'll replace them, send me some new pins, I'm good with it. The almost trigger guard it's got here, and the trigger itself, the extendedly long trigger, these two actually do not snag when you have it in your pocket. I don't really know why, but I haven't had a problem with them snagging on anything. I guess your clothes kind of run off of this and then pass that almost trigger guard up. That's what I'm calling it, an almost trigger guard. It's actually decently comfortable to carry in your pocket. Which if my pockets were a little bit smaller, I got kind of big pockets on most of my pants. It would actually be perfect for it. I don't know these cuts up here. I don't really know why they're there, because if I had my thumb there at any point, I'm blocking my line of sight. So yeah, I'm blocking my line of sight any way that I put my thumb up here. So I don't really understand those cuts. But all in all, I still like the gun. I want to like it a lot more. That's my review on it. Thank you guys for watching.